Imagine typing a script and getting back a Hollywood-style 3D video, complete with custom avatars, cinematic camera moves, and emotional performances, all in 4K. No rigging, no animation tools, just your imagination. This isn't science fiction. This is Rendora AI. With just a prompt, it creates stunning animated scenes using 3D avatars, realistic motion, and customizable environments. And the best part? You get free credits to try it. Go to Rendora AI and see for yourself. Let's walk through how this actually works step by step. Step 1. Revolutionary AI Model. This isn't just another AI tool. Rendora uses diffusion models and 3D engines to turn a script into a complete 3D animated video in minutes. Step 2. Hollywood-grade avatars. Choose from over 2,000 realistic 3D characters, or start from scratch to build your own. Step 3. Full avatar customization. You can fine-tune every detail, outfit, hairstyle, accessories, even color themes. Step 4. Facial feature controls. Adjust facial structure, expressions, and emotional presets for each scene. Step 5. 3D animation without rigging. Rendora handles all the body movement. Your character can walk, gesture, and move naturally without you doing any animation work. Step 6. Talking 3D avatar. Just type your script, select a voice, and the character will talk, lip-synced with full emotional expression. Step 7. 3D studio environment. Pick from hundreds of pre-built 3D scenes. Offices, beaches, sci-fi worlds, or build your own. Step 8. Camera angles. Want to zoom in? A dramatic pan? You can set custom camera angles for each shot, just like a director. Step 9. Add graphics. Need titles or overlays? You can layer in custom text and visual elements right inside the editor. Step 10. Render in 4K. Once you're done, hit render and watch your full 3D scene come to life in cinema quality 4K. Step 11. Avatar showcase. Here's a real example, a knight character giving a monologue in a medieval hall, fully animated with body movement and facial emotion. Step 12. Full 3D video demo. And here's a complete short video, written, animated, and rendered entirely with Rendora AI. Yes, this was made with just a prompt. Still wondering what's possible? Here are just a few wild examples people have already made. A sci-fi scene with a talking astronaut. A detective monologue in a rainy alley. A fashion walkthrough with a virtual model. A 3D news anchor breaking headlines. A fantasy scene with a knight addressing their kingdom. All made with text. This isn't just a tool. It's a revolution in storytelling, filmmaking, and content creation. So the real question is, what would you create with Rendora AI? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to see what ideas you have. And if this video got you excited, give it a like to support the channel. Subscribe for more deep dives into game-changing AI tools. And share this with a friend who dreams of making movies, but doesn't know where to start. The next generation of creators won't need cameras or studios. They'll just need a keyboard and a vision.